Hello guys, today I'm outside
Playing with my coconut.
Today I'm in Quezon. Wait, Ma, ano na ngayon?
Sunday.
Sunday?
Alis.
Ano klaseng day na? Anong month? I think we can 28.
29 bukas.
20. Bukas meron na tayong school.
Oo nga.
And there's nothing we can do.
Napoleon said, there's nothing we can do.
Like I can record this unlimited time. This is my vlog. This is my vlog. Hawakan mo nga muna.
Ako naman.
Boom! Don't be brain rotted.
Wait lang, maghanap ako.
Today I'm in a vlog. This is where my dad lives when he was a child.
He was a kid.
Oo. When we go outside, when we go somewhere, we always like to go explore and catch some chickens and let them go anyways
Anong kukunin
for
natin?
fun.
Okay.
Yung sisiw. Wala, hindi naman binabantay yun ng nanay eh.
Nakakulong siya eh. Paano